Ready, start. The new laws bring forth the requisite changes coupled with the fusion of technology. The measures include online FIR registration, statutory basis to zero FIR to prevent unnecessary delays. Courts are permitted a maximum of 2 adjustment. However, certain provisions like the mandatory registration of zero FIRs, extension of period of police custody, and parliamentary preliminary inquiry before registration of FIRs may at the implementation stage fall short of the desired goals with which they are introduced. This article shall in depth analyze these anomalies in law. Mandatory registration of zero FIR. The most problematic aspect of the mandatory registration of zero FIR is ambiguity of the provisions related to the procedure after the registration of the FIR. Now, zero FIR has been given a statutory basis by including it in section 173, which relates to registration of FIR in cognizable cases. Zero FIR had been introduced with a primary purpose to ensure that the victims can file complaints regardless of jurisdiction, addressing a long-standing issue in criminal reporting. It was introduced to eliminate the common practices among the police officers where they refused to register police complaints citing jurisdictional issues. Under this, the police station must necessarily register the FIR when approached by the complainant and then transfer to it the police station having jurisdiction for investigation. The receiving police station must start investigation based upon the FIR transferred to it. Freedom of speech, disabling humor, navigating disability, portrayal in media and beyond. The problem with the necessary registration of zero FIR would be firstly jurisdictional manipulation, wherein the complainant might deliberately file FIRs in distance location to harass the accused, and the issue with this would be that the police station registering the FIR can make arrests on the basis of that FIR, potentially infringing the fundamental rights of the people. The officers, even without having the jurisdiction over the matter, could detain a person in custody as the magistrate before whom the accused is being presented may decide whether to grant the custody to the police irrespective of the jurisdiction as per section 187 clause 2. Patent illegality as a ground of judicial intervention in arbitration. Secondly, the law is silent on the procedure to be followed after the registration of filing of the zero FIR, especially the time taken to transfer the case to the police station of appropriate jurisdiction. silence on the time to be taken for the transfer of FIR is a procedural anomaly would be exploited by the police would lead to miscarriage of justice owing to the delay in transfer of cases. Extension of police custody. Earlier under section 167, the maximum period of police custody was 15 days. If the investigation could not be completed within 15 days, then the person would be sent in judicial custody to provide safeguard against potential custodial violence. However, under the BNSS section 187, the magistrate may authorize the detention of the person beyond the period of 15 days to 90 days where the offence is punishable with death, imprisonment for life, or imprisonment for a term of not less than 10 years or 60 days where the investigation relates to any other offence, whichever may be the case be. The government argues that this is a necessary measure for though examination in complex cases and shall not infringe upon the fundamental rights, as the extension would require judicial oversight and approval from the magistrate. The government argues that this measure would aid in the investigative process. Critics argue that not only it goes against the international pre-trial detention standards which provides for minimal detention period, but also violates several fundamental rights, particularly the right against self-incrimination. It could also lead to rise in custodial crimes. Preliminary inquiry before registration of FIRs. The new laws have brought in provisions which expand the powers of the police, which may raise potential concerns regarding the arbitrary and capricious use of powers by the law enforcement agencies. It is ironical that the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, claiming to be citizen-centric, has raised concerns regarding the erosion of safeguard surrounding the civil liberties of individuals. The major concern in this regard arises with the introduction of 173 class 3 of Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita. Ready? Start. In a move that will completely overhaul the criminal justice system in the country, 3 new criminal laws come into effect from today, July 1. The Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita within bracket BNS, the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita BNSS, and the Bharatiya Suraksha Adhiniyam BSA, passed in Parliament last December, will replace the Indian Penal Code IPC 1860, the Criminal Procedure Code CRPC 1973, and the Indian Evidence Act 1872 respectively. Several new provisions have been incorporated in the 3 new criminal laws to suit contemporary times and technologies in vogue. The three new laws received parliaments on December 21, 2023. President Draupadi Murmu gave her assent on December 25, 2023 and was published in the official gazette on the same day. As per the notification, the three laws will focus on justice rather than punishment and are aimed at providing speedy justice all the way, strengthening the judicial and court management system, emphasizing access to justice by all. भारतीय न्याय संहिता बिल हैव 358 sections instead of 511 sections in the IPC. A total of 20 new crimes have been added to the bill, and the imprisonment sentence has been increased for 33 of them. The amount of the fine has been increased in 83 crimes, and mandatory minimum punishment has been introduced in 23 crimes. The penalty of community service has been introduced for 6 crimes, and 19 sections have been repealed or removed from the bill. Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita has introduced a new chapter titled Crimes Against Women and Children to deal with sexual crimes. Provisions related to the gang rape of a minor woman will become consistent with the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act within bracket POXCO, and a provision has been made for life imprisonment or death penalty in the case of girls below 18 years of age. There is the provision of 20 years imprisonment or life imprisonment in all cases of gang rape, and the new crime category of gang rape of a woman under 18 years of age in the Sanhita. The Sanhita provides targeted penalties for persons fraudulently engaging in sexual intercourse or promising to marry without true intention to marry. Terrorism has been defined for the first time in the Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita, and it has been made a punishable offence. The new provisions include armed rebellion, subversive activities, separatist activities, or any act threatening the sovereignty or unity and integrity of India. Small organized crimes have also been criminalized, punishable with imprisonment of up to 7 years. Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita will have 3(1) sections in place of 484 sections of CRPC. A total of 177 provisions have been changed in the bill, and 9 new sections as well as 39 new subsections have been added to it. The draft act has added 44 new provisions and clarifications. Timelines have been added to 35 sections, and audio video provision has been added at 35 places. A total of 14 sections have been repealed and removed in the Samhita. The timeline has been added to 35 sections of Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Samhita, which will make the speedy delivery of justice possible. The bill prescribes a time limit for intimation of criminal proceedings, arrest, investigation, charge sheet, proceedings before magistrate, cognizance, charges, plea, bargaining, appointment of assistant public prosecutor, trial, bail, judgment and punishment, and mercy petition. भारतीय साक्ष्य अधिनियम bill have 170 provisions instead of the original 167 provisions, and a total of 24 provisions have been changed. 2 new provisions and 6 sub provisions have been added, and 6 provisions have been repealed or deleted in the Adhiniyam. The complete implementation of new criminal laws will ensure an end to Tariq pe Tariq era, and justice will be given in 3 years as earlier informed in the Parliament by Union Home Minister Amit Shah. This process of reform in the 3 laws of the criminal justice system was started in 2019, and 3200 suggestions in this regard were received from various stakeholders. Speaking on the 3 new laws, on June 29, Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that the 3 laws of the British era that were governing the Indian judicial system have been changed on the concept of delivering speedy justice. Several legal experts say 3 are big challenges ahead for law enforcing agencies, judicial officers, and legal professionals as the new laws come into force. The passing of the 3 criminal law bills in Parliament last year sparked a series of debates regarding the need to take such steps towards evolution in the field of law. With the introduction of new criminal laws, the way the government rushed to bring these laws in Parliament and the way it implemented rushed to is not desirable in a democracy. These laws were neither adequately discussed in the Parliament committee nor extensively discussed in the House. Even no constitution held with the stakeholders. Former Union Law Minister and Congress leader Ashwani Kumar told now the opposition parties demanding a change in the legal architecture of criminal laws should be preceded by meaningful deliberations between all the stakeholders. That appears not to have been done. It is the only grievance of the opposition parties that should be addressed by the ruling party. He added, in the new criminal laws, law enforcement agencies have been given unfettered powers without checks and balance, and safeguards and safety provisions have been ignored, which will be prone to misuse. Under the new criminal laws, there will be potential violations of civil liberties, Advocate Sumit Gehlot told. He said that section law under section 150 of BNS, the offence has been made draconian, adding that the insertion of the sedition law as a backdoor entry seems to be for political reasons. Section 150 will surely be challenged, as will other provisions, which will result in being struck down by constitutional court. Why is terrorism inserted as a general penal law offence, which it is already punishable under special legislation? Ready, start. Even if the respondent had continued in the same department, it would not have been possible for him to take the custody of the documents, as he would no longer be in charge of the office. Furthermore, it is evident from the letter dated 19/11/2003 that the documents had to be collected from different officers and made available to the respondent. This fact is so mentioned in the letter of the executive engineer. In such circumstances, we are unable to accept the submission of the learned counsel for the respondents that it was possible for the respondent to make an effective representation against the charge sheet. The last payment of the tender has been paid by the then executive engineer Sri Akashdeep Sonkar, and accordingly payment of rupees 19,000 was to be paid by check. Thereafter, you have made this payment through check. At page 138 of the cash book, part 73, entry number eligible has been made. You have desirability made aforesaid entry in order to cause loss of the government, and the payment twice through voucher number 142 of the amount 1,90,000, which has been changed to 1,34,000. Therefore, the payment of rupees 59,000, which has already been made, shown to be not paid in the aforesaid entry. In this manner, you have deliberately caused loss of the government by the fraudulent act, conspiring for the same, and had recovered rupees 59,000 from the contractor through voucher number 141. Reason for which
the very
has been
outset,
mentioned that
I
rupees
congratulate
59,000
the Ministry
has been
of
deducted
Steel
due to
and
excess
Mines
payment
for its
made for the
efficient
work
working.
at
There has
Saloon
been in the past
Jagatpur Road
propaganda on
through
behalf
voucher
of
number
the
142.
private sector that
Nowhere
it alone can
in
deliver
voucher
the
number
goods.
142
It alone
dated,
is a
it is
fiction,
mentioned that
and
due to what
that
reason
the public sector
deduction has
is
been made after the
notorious
issuing of
for
check regarding the
mismanagement,
amount to be
for
paid with
inefficiency,
by
and
intention
for
on
loss
your
of
part.
production.
You have made
Both the
wrong
things
entries
have
regarding
been
deduction mentioned in
exploited
the voucher
by
amount,
the working
which is proved
of the
to
public
be
sector
violation of financial
since the year
handbook,
1981,
section 5,
and
part
in
1,
streamlining
4D
the administration
and 83.
of the
Voucher
public
number 141
undertakings.
proves
The Steel
the
Ministry
divisional
has
accounts
played
officer
a key and
has issued
crucial
the check
role. Para.
regarding the
There has been
aforesaid payment
a
passed by the
mismanagement
assistant engineer.
in this company, and its
At the time of issuing
management
check,
was
deduction
taken
of
over.
rupees 59,000
I am personally
from the
of the
amount
view
to be paid makes your
whenever
conduct
mismanagement
suspicious
visible
and you are found
in any
responsible
private sector
for the
undertaking,
misconduct in
then
this regard.
instead of
Therefore,
only
you are
taking
found
its
guilty
management
of
for
misconduct.
a limited
According
period,
to Para 3,
it should
UP
be
government
taken
servant
over
conduct rules
permanently
1956.
and it should
Therefore,
not be
the check
a
has been
short
wrongly
and
encased
half-hearted
by you
measure.
after making
The
fraud
company
entry
should have been
by
taken
self-name and
over
the
acquired
amount has not
as
been taken
it is sought to
in
be
case
done.
book.
Now,
The firm
in the
has
year 1982
that
itself,
you had received
once the
payment
government
after
comes to the
committing
conclusion
fraud,
that the
therefore you are
company's
found guilty
affairs
and misconduct
are
regarding
not
the
being
misappropriation
conducted
of amount
in
of
an
rupees
efficient manner,
1,29,000
and when the government has
after
to
committing
invest
fraud
funds
on the documents
to the tune
and
of
violating
crores
the
of
financial
rupees.
rules. You are also
Where is
held
the
guilty
question
for
of
misconduct
reversing
according to
the
Para 3
decision
UP government
that
servant
it may go
conduct
by
rules
to
1956.
the same old
Case
management?
number 37
Para.
oblique 98
Now the second thing
has been
is that
instituted for
there is
adjudication
a new
between
strategy which is being
Messrs. Indian
restored
Coal Suppliers versus
to by
Government
this
of
private
UP.
business.
The
They
case has been
somehow
decided
or
according
other
to which
welcome the
demand for
takeover
rupees 26
of their undertaking,
likes
and they
along
start
with
the
interest
process
has
of
been made by the
mismanagement
concerned
deliberately
firm
so
from
that
the
the
department.
government may be
The fact
compelled
has been
to take it
in your
over.
knowledge
They
that
do
the
not
option
invest
of
any
appeal
money
in the aforesaid case
renovation
has
of
been
the
rejected
machinery,
by the government.
which ultimately
In
becomes
such situation,
nothing
you had not
but a
prepared
junk,
the
and they
defense
would have
regarding validity
derived the
of
maximum
the
benefit
agreement
out of
during
their
framing of
investment
issues in
long
proper
time
manner.
ago.
The
And
case has
at
been
the time
dismissed only
when it is
on the
being
ground of
taken over,
deficient
nothing
court fees.
worthwhile
You
is
have
left
deliberately
in the undertaking.
appointed a special
So it
advocate
should be
without
taken
permission of
over
government
at the
had not
earliest
paid
stage.
court fees
We are now
and had
talking of commitment
colluded
to the
with Messrs.
philosophy
Indian Coal
of the
Suppliers to
Constitution.
cause
The
loss
philosophy
of rupees
of
26
the
lakhs
Constitution
to the
means
government.
that we are committed to the establishment
Presenting
of an
Weak case
egalitarian
before the court
society
in order to cause
where there
benefit to the
would be
contractor.
not only
A bare perusal
political
of the
and
aforesaid charges
legal
shows
justice,
that
but
the
there
three
would
charges
be
were based
economic,
on official
economic
documents
justice.
or of
If we want
official
socialism,
communications.
it should come
We have
in a
earlier
proper
noticed
and
that
effective
the
way.
reluctance efforts made by the respondent to secure copies of the documents which was sought to be relied upon to prove the